Today was our staff meeting, but we had a surprise for our staff today. We like surprises around here, and anytime I have the opportunity to surprise my staff, I want to be able to do that, and this just came at the exact right time. So we had members of the leadership team, Dr. Bolson included, our superintendent, as well as Subaru, representatives from Subaru National, as well as Subaru here in Jones in Bel Air, Maryland, as well as Adopt a Classroom. Adopt a Classroom partners with Subaru, and they chose our school to donate to not only 25 school supply kits for our newest teachers, but also a check for $12,500 that is going to go directly into the classrooms, into the hands of our kids, so our teachers could continue to make magic happen like they do every day at Magnolia Middle School.
I'm really blessed. I'm really happy that, we were selected to even get a donation, and this is something that we can use to help build, and grow our classes and our communities.
We're here from Bel Air Subaru for the Subaru Love Promise for Subaru Loves Learning event, donating $12,500 to Magnolia Middle, along with 25 classroom supply kits.
So the kits are going to be filled with school supplies, and we have decided as a staff to share those with our newest teachers. Sometimes our teachers right out of college, they're just getting a new apartment, they have other expenses, and they feel the need to try to buy their own supplies for our students. This will fill that void, and we're so thankful that the kits are going to get in the hands of our newest, most novice teachers.
Thank you, Bel Air Subaru, for supporting Magnolia Middle School.